Testing, testing. Sleepy chicken, sleepy chicken, sleepy chicken. Hi, I'm Meg.
I'm Seth.
Nice to meet you. You're the food innovation guy for KFC?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool, ma'am. Okay. Have you heard the internet rumor that the sound of falling rain is actually the sound of fried chicken?
Yes.
Should we get to the bottom of that rumor?
Yeah, I've got everything set up, ready to go.
Okay,
right.
Let's make chicken. Okay, what are we doing here?
So right now we are mixing up the flour and the seasoning.
Do you know the secret recipe?
No comment.
Have you ever had a nightmare about a chicken?
No.
Good job.
Thank you.
Do you wish you dreamt about chicken more? Sometimes I dream about dreaming. Have you ever slept with a piece of chicken under your pillow, you know, like just to see?
Just to see what?
Do you ever eat fried chicken in bed?
Maybe.
That's a lot of chicken. What are you doing now?
Now that it's breaded, I'm putting it to the baskets to be dropped and fried.
Are there any sounds that you like to fall asleep to?
Whale sounds, that's a fun one.
Are we ready to start frying?
Let's see what we got.
I think it sounds good. Are you getting sleepy? Nice. Okay, we got it. Ready? It sounds like rain. We did it.
I think we did it.
Well, look out for that sound on Hatch Plus.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Can you get it together?
Trying my whole life.